Hello, YouTube. My name is, welcome back to CD. Charles Bishop. You know my name. Um, Today I'm filming a video about, catching an animal. I don't know who I'm gonna catch or what, but I'm gonna post today and tomorrow, so before and then after, so y'all know what I'll catch. So let's go see. So I got a cage, and I got a some food for it to eat whenever it goes in. So I'm gonna show y'all guys what I got. Okay, I got this cage. Got this cage. Got this cage, and y'all see it. And then, yeah. So, yeah. Got me some beef jerky and some cat food. So, tomorrow, let's see what the after effects are. Okay. Thank you. And I'll see you tomorrow.